1, 2, 3. Really? Come on, it's not that bad. They call it isolation, but all you're doing is basically doing your hobbies at home and catching up on all your fix-up projects. You know, and you go out for walks and all that. So hey, look at the good side. So you go out for a walk, you know, you look around and you find yourself something, you know. Something that looks cool, like the stick I found here, this walking stick. And you clean it up and you make this lovely crooked walking stick. You can make little models out of bamboo pieces. You can craft with paper mache. If you need glue, you use flour and water. There's always ideas. Just use your imagination and everything will be fine. Cheer up. Yeah, so I was out walking. We're in the country here in France, so you can go out walking for quite a while. No one says anything. And looking for projects for in isolation here. New projects, and came across this stick and I picked it up, and it was actually, I was looking at the bamboos, I'm picking up bamboos, but I picked up the stick the last time, so it was very light, kind of nice. And then I threw it back in the hedge, or on the ground by the hedge. Today I decided to go back and get it. And I thought, do you know what? It's nice and light and make a good walking stick maybe, I think. So I'm just going to go at it and clean it up a bit and see what we got. So that's going to be my project for today. Here we go. Pretty solid wood. Huh? Knob sticking out. So it's either this way, right, or this way. I like that it's kind of crooked and goes down like that actually. I mean, that looks like a handle there, but I do like the crooked stick really look much better, so I think I'm doing it this way. Looks like a better handle in the end, right? Yeah. I have to do it this way because of the handle. It gets a bit thicker up here though. I'll round them off and see which way I like it. And we'll go from here.